Equilibrium, 31 ways to stay balanced on life's uneven surfaces. The place where I'm sitting now is in a funeral home, and it reminds me again of so many of life's uneven surfaces. Stories like I wrote about in the book Equilibrium. But many of the chapters included here invite us to find peace and to seek help during times of struggle, times of grief, times of uncertainty. Chapter 7, be patient in affliction. Life is full of affliction, and equilibrium moves us toward that place of finding patience and peace and comfort. Um, and then we include a variety of chapters that give just some suggestions and thoughts about ways that we can view our obstacles as opportunities. One chapter is cry when you need to. This is a place right here where many of us have shed tears. Cry when you need to cry. Another chapter is don't be controlled by past hurts. It's healthy for me to be aware of the times that I've felt and endured hurt in places like this and stories like this, but I don't have to be controlled by those past hurts. Chapter 23 is very important. Allow time for grief. Chapter 26, care, but don't carry. Let's care for people and grieve and become sad when they've passed away or when we've gone through a life-changing experience. Let's care, but let's not carry the luggage of that wherever we go, just on our own strength, but let's seek help from the one that we can cast our cares on because he cares so much for us. Another chapter I believe is very important is this chapter 27, seek help. When you're struggling to grieve, who are you talking to? Who's there to listen to you? Chapter 28, schedule time for nothingness. Instead of just being busy or adding something else to our schedule as a method of denial about our grief and sadness, schedule time for nothingness. Reflect and think and pray. And then the next chapter, give thanks. And I believe if we can find ways to give thanks in the middle of the sadness and the uncertainty, that helps us find the balance. It helps us find equilibrium in the uneven surfaces of life. So notice what you're going through. Be aware of reality. Face it. Let's believe God can grace it. And let's seek help when we need help.